Alright guys, we got a package in the mail today. It's a Crimson Trace laser grip. Got that for my Taurus TCP, little compact 380 pistol. We're gonna show you what you get inside here. I'm gonna install the grips. So we get the laser grip. Comes in two pieces. So here's where you put the battery in, and it has two little small Allen screws, and that clamps onto the trigger guard. What you also get here is I've got looks like some cleaning swabs. There's a little sticker that you're supposed to put on your pistol after you put this laser on. And they gave me 2 Allen wrenches, I suppose in case you lose one. Looks like I get a battery. Takes sort of an unusual battery. And the directions to install these. And that's the battery type that it takes right here. One of those large ones or two 357 silver oxides. So it looks like they provide you with that one large one. But this is a more common battery, that 357. I know that's a lot of watches take that. Get a owner's manual, a sticker, and a card to send back for warranty, I suppose. Okay. So let's install this laser grip. Fairly simple thing to install. What you do is you take your pistol, you want to make sure it's unloaded, double checked, no magazine, chamber's empty. Take it on the, put it on the right side of the pistol here. And there's a little lip here on the left side also. So what you have to do is kind of wiggle that in there and snap it in place here. And that's real simple. There's a groove cut on the other side that has to match up with the groove on the left side. So you kind of wiggle that into place. And I take these screws out so they don't bind up. And simple, snap it on there. Put your 2 screws in. I did forget something, didn't I? Let's take this off. Don't forget to put your battery in. And the battery goes positive side up. They do have a little marking in there for the battery polarity. Positive side is the flat side. And in there. Snap it on. There's little tiny Allen head screws in there. Spin these screws down. And in a minute here, I'm going to show you what the sight picture looks like. According to the directions, what you need to do is get the red dot on top of the front sight. So we'll put it up against the wall here. So every time you grab your pistol, your finger's going to naturally hit that button and the laser's going to come on. See the laser on the wall over there? So when you line up your front sight with your back sight, the laser dot should be right on the top of your front sight. I'm going to zoom this in a little bit. So I get the sights lined up pretty well there. It looks like the laser dot's a little bit off to the right. So I'm going to have to make an adjustment on that. Okay guys, so to make a adjustment to your laser with the Crimson Trace laser grips, they have it in the manual here. Here's the instructions. There's 2 screws to adjust it, and this kind of gives you a direction here. But here's your windage screw, then your elevation screws on the bottom. So for me, the laser was off to the right a little bit, so I'm going to have to turn this counterclockwise. I'm going to go just a small amount, and we'll see if that took care of the problem. Line up my front sight. Focus. No problem focusing when it's zoomed in. Okay, that looks pretty good actually. So I turned it like about 1/8 of a turn, and I think that's where I'm going to start. Alright, but there you go guys. That's how you install a set of Crimson Trace laser grips. I'm going to take this to range and try it out, sight it in. They say from the factory it's sighted in for 50 feet. I'll probably be trying it out a little closer, maybe like 30 feet. Maybe I'll start out at 20, then go out to 30 maybe or so. And we'll see how it shoots. I'm going to shoot it with, I'm going to use my carry ammunition to sight this in, which is a 90 grain Spear Gold dot. That's a really good round. I watched TN Outdoor 9 did a penetration test in gel, and the Spear Gold dots always seem to perform real well. And the velocity on this round through this tiny little pistol, 2-inch barrel, probably less than 2-inch maybe. The velocity came up to about 950 feet per second. It's pretty decent for a 380. Okay guys, take care.